Guys, this is your purple, and today I'm gonna show this a glass. It's a really nice glass. I got this from a game I was playing, this like a mall game, and then I got this gift. So let's unpack this. Before that, I'll show you. It's made in China, I guess so. Yeah, made in China. Now let's unpack this. Oh my god. Oh, wow. This is the straw. So this is the cup. It's a glass cup. Happy. Wow, nice. So cute, adorable they've did. I think this is the straw holder, I guess so. And this is the lifter, I guess so. Oh, you have to drink here or to put straw here. Okay, there is a hole also here. As you can see, there is a hole. Wow, it's so pretty. The glass is super pretty, guys. 50 ml to 300 ml. Yeah, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, this is your purple signing off. See you soon, guys.